warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Warju. I am a lecturer and researcher at Department of Mechanical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Negeri Surabaya. In this occasion, and due to the outbreak of COVID-19, I would like to deliver my online presentation on the International Joint Conference on Science and Technology, or IGCST 2020, of my paper entitled The Effectiveness of Using Heaters on Muffler to Reduce Exhaust Emission from Spark Ignition Engines. First of all, I would like to talk to you about background and the purpose of this research. The increasing population of motor vehicles can result in increased level of exhaust emissions. The most significant contributor to exhaust emissions come from motor vehicle exhaust. In Indonesia, the motor vehicle population continues to increase massively. More than 65 million vehicles have been produced since 2014. In 2014, the number of motor vehicles was 228 million units, which then increased by 29% to 290 million units in 2018. The increasing population of motor vehicle is the main trigger for increased exhaust emission and decreased air quality. Many technologies have been installed in motor vehicle as one solution to reduce the harmful effect of motor vehicle exhaust emissions. Some commonly used technology are catalytic converter for spark ignition engine, whereas for compression ignition engine use diesel particulate filter. For spark ignition engine, there are other technological alternatives on offer, namely by installing a heater on the muffler. The goal is to provide treatment on the muffler so that the oxidation process of a hydrocarbon and carbon monoxide emission can be accelerated, and nitrogen oxide can be reduced to the maximum. Thus, the main purpose of this study is to analyze the effectiveness of using a heater on a muffler to reduce exhaust emission from spark ignition engine. In part 2, I would like to talk about research method. The type of research is experimental research. Testing methods. We use SNI 1971118.3 2005 about test method for category L motor vehicle at ideal condition to measure carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon emission from motorcycle engine. We use several instruments and equipment such as inertia chassis dynamometer, digital thermometer, digital tachometer, exhaust gas analyzer, and blower. Data analysis by using quantitative descriptive technique. In part 3, talking about results and discussion. In general, it can be concluded that the use of stainless steel heaters can significantly reduce carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon exhaust emission of Yamaha New Fiction Lightning motorcycles. The most massive emission reduction level of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon exhaust gas for Yamaha New Fiction Lightning motorcycle occurs in muffler with the experiment of adding two heaters. The use of a heater on a Yamaha New Fiction Lightning motorcycle exhaust effect the reduction of carbon monoxide exhaust emission. All heater variations meet the standard quality of carbon monoxide exhaust emission based on the Minister of Environment Regulation number 4 of 2009 concerning emissions threshold for new type motorized vehicle gases. This is evident by the reduction of carbon monoxide exhaust emission by an average of 27.74% using exhaust experimental one heater and 35.02% using the experimental two heater exhaust. From figure 3, it can be seen that the use of heater on a Yamaha New Fiction Lightning motorcycle exhaust effect the reduction of hydrocarbon exhaust emission. All heater variation meet the hydrocarbon exhaust emission quality standard based on the Minister of Environment Regulation number 5 of 2006 concerning the limits on all type motorized vehicle exhaust emission. This is evident by the reduction of hydrocarbon exhaust emission by an average of 5.55% using the experimental exhaust with one heater and 16.31% using the experimental exhaust with two heaters. The use of a heater on the Yamaha New Fiction Lightning motorbike also meets the maximum allowable carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon exhaust emission standard by the Minister of Environment Regulation of 2009 concerning the new type of motor vehicle exhaust emission limits, and the Minister of Environment Regulation number 5 of 2006 concerning emission limits for all type motorized vehicle. It is necessary to make a comparison between the use of a standard exhaust and heater use can be seen in table 3 and 4 below. In the last session talking about conclusion, the test results show that the use of a heater in Yamaha New Fiction Lightning motorcycle exhaust can reduce carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon emissions. First, by using an experimental exhaust one heater, it can reduce carbon monoxide exhaust emission by an average of 27.74% and hydrocarbon exhaust emission by an average of 5.55%. Second, whereas using experimental exhaust two heaters can reduce carbon monoxide exhaust emission by an average of 35.02% and hydrocarbon exhaust emission by an average of 16.31%. This is the end my presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.